How can I make money from my phone? How can I make money from my phone, right? This is the question everybody's asking, and everybody wants to do it. Guys, there are a lot of people making money from their phone. The thing is, the majority of people out here are not doing it because they don't want to hear the truth. They don't like the actual answer. The thing is, it's like any other type of job out there, and y'all are asking the wrong question. What you need to be asking instead of how do I make money from my phone is what skills do I need to learn? What do I actually need to sit down, learn, and do to start making money from my phone, to start making money passively online? And guys, the answer is digital marketing. Those are the skills you need to learn. So you need to get yourself into a good course that is going to teach you how to make money online. That is what I did a few years ago. And now I've been doing affiliate marketing for about 16 years. Go back, listen to my story. It's one of my first videos. Because forever ago I had my bank account hacked. I lost like $5,000, didn't get the majority of it back, and I had one paycheck a month. Had no money for like a good 4 weeks, and then even when I did, it took a while to recover, and it sucked. So I said, okay, I need to learn skills, right? I need to figure out what I need to do. So I sat down and I learned, and through trial and error and investing money and investing a lot of time and everything else that comes into learning a skill, time, energy, effort, just like learning a sport or learning a hobby, right? It's the same thing. That's what you need to do to learn how to make money from your phone. You need to invest of yourself. Yes, investing money. Yes, investing your time, investing your ability, your mental, I guess, capacity, all of that, right? To learn how to do it. Guys, I have 3 programs that I really, really like that are listed on my profile that I am promoting. Have I tried other ones? Yes, but I'm only giving you the really, really good ones. So check out my profile if you're interested in wanting to know what digital course you should learn. The one that I really like that helped me, I used to be, and I still am, an insurance agent. It literally helped me get like 62 appointments in about 3 days. It booked my calendar out for 3 months. Is the digital legacy program, the legacy builders program. That one is amazing. The other one helped me get on Amazon, branded earnings. That one is also listed. That program, branded earnings, also helped me get on TikTok. And the third one that I really like, this one is a brand new one. Like literally we're under 30 people. If you're interested, drop the word interested in the comments, is the marketing machine program. And they've got accountability calls, all the programs, and all of the information that you need. And all of those courses are amazing for what they do and what they're helping you get into. So, thing number one that you need to do to learn how to make money from your phone is ask yourself, what skills do I need to learn? How do I want to make money from my phone? If you set Amazon affiliate, Amazon influencer, that's going to be branded earnings. If you're more so not sure and you kind of want to try a little bit and figure it out still, but you need that help, you want that backup, that support to do it, I'm here to do that for you. But one of the other 2 programs I mentioned is going to be where you want to go. But what do you need to do to learn how to make money from your phone? You need to start asking the better question and the correct question. What skills do I need to learn? Where do I need to invest my time? And yes, invest some of your money. And just like a skill, just like a hobby, if you want to get somewhere, if you were doing a traditional career change, job, starting a business, we have to invest some money. And I know that's the one thing people don't like to hear. People don't like that it does take that, but it does. Take it from somebody who's been doing this before TikTok was even around, before TikTok was cool, before digital marketing, affiliate marketing became like the cool thing to do. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, and it takes money that you must invest to figure out what works for you and how can you make money online. And guys, look, I'm in bed right now. It is 7:15 a.m. I've been awake for an hour. I don't even wake up this early. It's a Monday morning, and I tend to wake up at like 8:30. I don't even ever have my first appointments, and I get to work from home. Plus I do my digital marketing and everything else online from home, from my phone. I'm making money from my phone. just like so many other people who have invested the time to learn what skills that they need to learn and everything else. So it's possible. Yes, it is. And I'm here to teach you, to help you, and to learn. And this has been a long video, a bit of a rant, but that is what it takes, guys. It takes you figuring out what skills you want to learn. It takes you figuring out and investing your time, your energy, your resources, your money to start doing this correctly and to start getting you to the point where, like me, you'll be able to work from home. You'll be able to set your own schedule. You'll be able to do what you want to do. And see, I'm not running around trying to get ready. I'm not running around right now trying to go fight traffic and all of that. I used to do that. I used to be a full-time school teacher, but thankfully now, thanks to this, thanks to investing that time, that energy, those resources, that income that I needed to invest to learn, I don't have to do any of that anymore. So if you want this kind of freedom, this kind of enjoyment where you just kind of get to lay around for a little bit when you wake up in the morning on a Monday morning or whatever day, then that is what you need to do to start earning that income from your money, from that income from your phone. So go ahead, drop your questions in the comments, drop the word interested. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your questions. I'm Vienna. I'm here to answer them. I'm here to help you. And good luck on your journey.